Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies, which are chewy from inside and crispy from outside. For making this recipe, we will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup butter, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup brown sugar, half cup white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We will start by taking all-purpose flour in a bowl and add salt and baking soda to it. Mix it properly with a whisk and keep it aside. In a separate bowl, add butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and vanilla essence, and whisk them together to get a fluffy and smooth texture. Brown sugar helps makes cookies extra soft and chewy, while white sugar helps cookies spread. So we are using combination of both to balance out. Beat all the ingredients together with an electric mixer to get a smooth and fluffy texture. By doing this, we are adding air into the dough, which helps to puff up the cookies once they are in the oven. Now add 2 eggs and mix them in. Now we add all-purpose flour to the bowl and fold it in. Folding in like this ensures that both mixtures are properly combined without stirring or beating. It is a bit of a hard work mixing the flour with hands, but trust me, when you see the result, it's worth it. Stir in the chocolate chips and mix them together. Now we cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. By chilling the dough, we are solidifying the butter, which means it takes longer for butter to melt and your cookies don't spread too much. I am using 1 tablespoon to scoop out the dough for consistent size cookies and place them on cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until you get lightly browned edges. You can see the brown edges. That means the cookies are perfectly baked. Let the cookies cool on cookie sheet for at least 1 minute. Here we get perfectly baked cookies. Now place the cookies on wire rack to cool them completely. enjoy your cookies with a glass of milk. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.